Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. First of all, I am really sorry for the background noise. I need a mic and I will get it. Next video में पक्का मेरे पास mic होएगा. But I am enjoying the weather, I am enjoying the view, so just bear with me. This video is gonna be very raw. Whatever I feel about Canada, I will tell you guys. So few weeks ago मैंने Instagram पे questionnaire डाला था, ask me anything about Canada and I will tell you my personal opinion about it. उसके अंदर से मैंने कुछ important questions, basic questions मैंने frame कर लिए हैं and that is what I'm gonna answer today. So giving you a little context about me, my name is Riddhi and I am 23 years old. I moved to Canada in 2023 December. I came on student visa as a student and I just graduated 2 months back from university and currently I am not doing anything. I have applied for my work visa which I will get in another few months and I am also searching for a job here in Canada. Without wasting your time, let's start. Is moving to Canada worth? Guys, सबका अपना perspective होता है. Maybe what I feel आप लोग उससे agree ना करो. Main reason why I came to Canada was because my family already lived here. I have 2 brothers and my cousins and everyone, we are really close to them. All of them, they were already here in Canada. I live at my brother's place. I don't pay any rent. I don't pay for any groceries. Basically, I'm living for free here. So I was very lucky in that scenario. But Canada offers a really good lifestyle. If you are a person who literally thrives for a good lifestyle, you can surely come to Canada. You will experience a different culture. You will experience so many new things. If you thrive for independency, if you are a hustler, then of course, yeah, like Canada is the place for you. You would literally enjoy here. But if you are somebody who loves to live with their family and who cannot hustle 24/7, you just like to be around your people, your culture, I would say just don't come to Canada then, because India feels like more secured. You live with your parents, you don't pay anything to them. But let me just tell you one thing, that the job market right now, it sucks. Literally कोई भी job नहीं है Canada में. People are searching for jobs. I'm talking about full time, I'm talking about part time as well. You would see thousands of jobs on Indeed, LinkedIn and everywhere, but they are all ghost jobs. They are all dead. You won't get any reply from the employer, like whatsoever. The next question was, what about work? Where do you prefer to work, India or Canada? So guys, I have never worked in India. I was a student and उसके साथ साथ I was doing content creation. I never worked in a corporate environment in India. But जितना मैंने सुना है और जितना मैं जानती हूँ, Canada का work structure is 1000 times better than India's. Canada में it's a structured environment. People respect your boundaries. अगर आपका 9 to 5 job है, so it will be 9 to 5. I would prefer to work in Canada rather than India. But coming back to the topic again, there are no jobs. So what is the scope of content creation, digital marketing? And talking about content creation, it's not that great. Like I would say content creators in India are doing much better than here in Canada. Still in its initial phase. The brands rely more on PR or agencies for collaborations with the influencers, and India is much better in terms of content creation. So what's the fees here in Canada? The fees depends on what course you are doing, if you're doing from university or from college. But मैं एक semester की बता देती हूँ. So if you are doing it from the college, fees from $6,000 to $10,000 depending on your course per semester from college. If you are doing a course from university, it varies from $8,000 to $12,000 per semester depending upon your course. So I did my course from university. Also university better है कि college. I would say universities, they still hold some sort of value. Now the next question, can a person make enough to maintain a good lifestyle while working on a work permit? Well guys, it depends on your expenses. If you are earning good, तुम work visa पे हो, you could easily afford to pay rent, do groceries and afford like a basic lifestyle. But everything is just so expensive these days, be it India, be it Canada. Of course, if you are doing a full-time job, rent वगैरह, groceries वगैरह, it's very easy to pay. But depends कितना खर्चा है सबका. Money is never enough. And also guys, I just want to say one important thing. If you are coming to Canada for the exposure, like there wouldn't be any financial burden on yourself or on your family, then I would say come here, experience all the things that it has to offer, experience the lifestyle, the culture and everything. Of course कुछ ना कुछ तुम्हें सिखा के जाएंगी ये सब चीज़ें. But if you are coming here and it would be like a financial strain on your family and it won't be an easy decision for them to send you here in Canada, I would say rethink your decision, because Canada is not the same how it used to be 2-3 years ago. A lot of students are coming here, they are regretting their decision. There are no jobs, they cannot ask money from their family because of course उनकी family ने already इतना कुछ कर दिया है, and they are just paying the price through their mental health. I have seen a lot of people. I have my family here, they have my back, they are here for me and I'm genuinely very grateful for it. But I have seen so many people, I have heard their stories. It's not easy guys for everybody. You are just coming here to earn and you feel like कि तुम अपनी family को provide कर सकते हो and you can eventually call your family here and then तुम उनको अपने साथ रख सकते हो. It's just not that easy guys how it used to be. Guys, if you are watching somebody who lives here in Canada, they are enjoying their life and you feel like they are living a lavish lifestyle here and that is what encourages you to come here. लोग से वही दिखाते हैं जो उनको दिखाना होता है. People won't show you their failures, people won't show you कि वो कितना struggle कर रहे हैं mentally or financially. So rethink your decision. If you want to pay your fees by yourself, you have to do 2-3 jobs together. I'm talking about part-time. And उसके बाद भी you won't be able to make enough कि तुम fees भी निकालो, rent भी दे दो and you do everything and live a good life. It's just not that easy. So yeah, that is my personal opinion. Maybe आप किसी और से पूछो, एकदम different चीज़ें आपको suggest करे. It's up to you guys. Just do your research before coming here. And that is it for this video. If you have any questions apart from this, just drop them in the comment section below and I would like to answer them. I would like to guide you guys if you are coming here in Canada. Just ping me with any questions that you have. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I'll see you next time.